video is all about salicylic acid versus benzoyl peroxide. If you have oily skin or acne prone skin, it becomes important to choose a particular skincare product which is suitable to your acne type. It creates a lot of questions in our mind whether should I opt for salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide, or should I use both together. So without wasting time, let's get started the video. Salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide are two of those ingredients which are widely used in the treatment of mild to moderate acne. They are available in various concentrations, like for salicylic acid around 0.5% to 2%, and for benzoyl peroxide they are available in form of 2.5%, 4%, 5%. At higher concentration, salicylic acids are also used for the treatment of warts. Salicylic acid is beta hydroxy acid. It is oil soluble. So what happens if you have oily skin or acne prone skin? The skin pore is clogged up with excessive sebum, dead skin tissues, and bacteria gets built up around it. So when you apply salicylic acid, it penetrates into the pores and dissolves excessive oil and fights against bacteria causing acne, that is Propionibacterium acne. It also exfoliates the surface of the skin. So it is the best ingredient for the treatment of mild to moderate acne, that is blackheads and whiteheads. On the other hand, benzoyl peroxide have properties of antibacterial effects. So it helps in killing Propionibacterium acne and prevents resistance against to it in the treatment of inflammatory acne, that is papules, pustules, cysts, nodules. Now you know which skincare ingredient is best for your acne type. As we know that both of these ingredients are acne superheroes, as they work differently on different causative factors. Like benzoyl peroxide has antibacterial properties, so it prevents resistance against Propionibacterium acne. So it is used for the treatment of inflammatory acne. On the other hand, salicylic acid have oil soluble properties and also exfoliates from the surface of the skin. So it works best for the treatment of mild to moderate acne, that is non-inflammatory, that is blackheads and whiteheads. Yes, we can use both of them together, but not at the same time. Like if you are using benzoyl peroxide in morning time, then use salicylic acid at night. So if you are using benzoyl peroxide, just wash your face and apply to the affected area which is more acne prone, and leave it for a minute to work on the skin and rinse it off. Don't forget to apply moisturizer, as both of these ingredients will dry up the skin. Both of these skincare ingredients have many benefits, so they are widely used in many skincare products, like in the form of cleanser, toners, masks, glaze. So if you are opting for mild to moderate acne, for over-the-counter acne treatment, always start from the lower concentration, that is 0.5% to 1% for salicylic acid and 0.25%, 4% for benzoyl peroxide. It is not like that if you are using today and wants result around 2-3 days, it will take almost a month to see a result. So use this product for a month to see a effective result. I hope this video is informative for you. If you like my video, just hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.